I know at some point you have been creating beautiful websites like this and telling Kasa, go ahead and create something beautiful just like this. Let me show you three different ways in which you can create best looking websites with Kasa AI and then posting that on LinkedIn. So let's start by creating these websites right here. Let's assume that I want to create these beautiful websites with Kasa. The first thing that I could have done, I can do it in two ways. I can take a screenshot or I can paste a design of this. I can take a screenshot of this design. Then I can go ahead on Kasa. After taking this beautiful screenshot, I can go to Kasa AI. Then I can basically tell Kasa AI, depending with the image that I have, I can describe it further and tell it, create a JSON design file that is going to have the following features. Then right there, I'm going to describe my features right here. I'm going to tell Cursor to create this beautiful design here. So it's going to create a design file that is JSON file with all the styles and the content. Then it's going to extract all the design from this particular image. So after you just click enter, then it's going to create this beautiful JSON design file. So as you can see in this JSON file, we have all our details right here, the typography, the font sizes, everything from the layout and everything. Now you can go ahead after it's done creating this particular file right here. I can tell it go ahead and now create the project. I can tell it go ahead and create this, build a comprehensive educational platform on one page showing the student progress metric, enrollment, courses, completed courses, and any other detail or necessary features. So once I'm done creating this, basically done creating this, now it's going to create this beautiful website for us here. So it's going to update and create this beautiful website like here. So as you can see, once we are done with that, we have our beautiful output of the website here, including graphs, leaderboard, percentage loyalty points, and any other necessary files right here. So that's one way of creating these beautiful websites. Let's assume that I have a system in mind. So we go to Claude AI, then I'm going to tell it to create a document or a prompt for me. Prompting is a skill that most of us we don't have. So I'm basically going to tell it, I want to create a project like YouTube. Create for me prompt use that I will use with Kasa AI to build the project. So once I'm done here, then I'll just prompt it. Then as you can see, our Claude AI is the best that you can use for development, is has created this particular project for us here. All the guidelines and the prompt outlining the features, the technology, the CDN, the social features, the channel management, advanced features, and everything, including setting up your basic database right here. So once it's done, you can just copy that link, you can just copy that content, then go to your Kasa AI, then basically paste your prompts right here with all that description, then it's going to go ahead and creating your beautiful website just like that. As simple as that. Now let's assume that we have created these beautiful websites right here. And I wanted to paste it on LinkedIn. I wanted to share it on LinkedIn. So this is the best way that you can do. We can go to Zapier. That is Zapier. This is Zapier here. So you can just go to actions.zapier.com. This is an automation website that will help you create AI agents. So we can just go to Zapier. Make sure that you're on actions.credentials.zapier. Check the link on the description below. Get your credentials. Just go to settings, credentials. Then you have your credentials. In case you don't have your API, you can create your own API. Just click to create your own API. So once you get your API, it's very simple. Copy the API key, then go to your cursor, connect that to Kasa MCP. How do you connect to Kasa MCP? Click on settings, then click on tools and integrations. Tools and integrations. So you can just click on near new MCP, then it will prompt you. Then you'll just create this Zapier MCP. The link will be on the description. The code will be on the description. So once you create that MCP, then you can replace your API key just like that. You can replace your API key just like that. Then save. After you save adding this MCP, now you can connect your apps with Zapier AI. So your API AI, you can just click on my actions. Once you click on my actions, you can edit actions. You can just edit actions. Then on the actions, you can create new actions. So I can add new actions. And in that case, I'm going to select LinkedIn. I'm going to type LinkedIn. That is LinkedIn, create, share, and update. So once I add LinkedIn, create, share, and update, then I'm going to make sure that I connect to my LinkedIn. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, connect to your GitHub MCP, that is your MCP, that is the Kasa MCP. Make sure that you create an account or you connect an account with Zapier. Then click on connect. Then it will automatically connect and pre-fill these necessary fields. So once you are done, just click on enable. Click on this enable button. So once you have enabled the MCP and connecting your LinkedIn with the MCP, it's very simple. The next step is basically, because you have connected the two, Kasa and Zapier MCP, it's very simple. I can just come here, prompt a new chat, and tell create a LinkedIn, create a LinkedIn post to share the project I just created, or basically say hello world on LinkedIn. So you can see our project or our description has been posted on the LinkedIn, on our LinkedIn profile. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.